Well, I got a little over 3/4 of this little field done. Got off to a bit of a rough start. Started over on that side. It's actually rolled not bad here. My back furrow on the plows, it just wasn't going down in far enough. Anyways, got a few tracks like this right here, just green, kind of right up, you can see. Anyways, time I get to about here, started working better. My plan is just kind of do a few short videos on this for now, doing field work. Later on, when everything's done, I think I'm just gonna take everything, put it together, do a good edited video. I don't do them too often, kind of a pain in the ass, but well. Oh, no shortage of rocks. Now I'm kind of set up here. Let's see if I can make a trip around, show you guys. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Anyways, set the plows down in the plow, right? You have this here trip rope, right up here. Just pull it, moves this. This whole mechanism here flips around, lowers your plows. There. This piece here has got that little indent, catches that wheel. That's going to flip right around. It's got that same thing. It's going to sit on this side until I lift the plows again. Set the plowing, see what happens. Going in second gear. Another round. Rope's all good. Sometimes it catches on a piece of the plow or grab a 3-point head turn. You gotta stop and move your rope. So this field here is likely a small utility tractor with a 1 or 2 furrow 3-point hitch plow. Probably be perfect. But I don't have that, so I'm using what I got and doing the best I can. Squirrel. Hard to do this one-handed. Look at one of those belts with the phone. Alright. That's it. Doing a little bit of slipping once in a while with the tractor. Good thing the tires are loaded. Won't get anywhere. Now I'm going to finish this out. You can do a quick distance video after.